Hey, this is Jeff, and I'm here to teach you how to transfer your WordPress site to a new host. Now, the absolute easiest solution for this is to go to WP Engine. Now, they cost a little bit more than normal host, GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost. All these companies are great. They charge, anywhere between $7 to $8 per month, probably 8 or 9. But WP Engine costs around $29 a month. Now, the reason they do that, their sites are ultra secure, they're super fast, and they're just the best option for WordPress, in my opinion. We've tested thousands of other sites on a lot of different hosts, and this seems to be the absolute best. Not to mention it's the easiest to actually migrate your website. It's very, very simple. Once you get logged in, and you'll set up an install. Now, this is a transferable install, so it'll look a little bit different than a normal install. This will have a username and a password. These are great for building out sites when you're trying to hide it from Google and you're just wanting to build it for a customer and have a username and password so no one else can see it but them. You click on Site Migration, and what you'll do is you'll download this WordPress plugin to your website. So what I'll do is I'll go to my site, and you'll go to Plugins, Add New, go over to Search Plugins, and you'll search WP Engine Automated Migration. You'll click on Install Now. That'll install the migration tool. Click on Activate, and then it'll bring you to this page. Now, you can type your email in here, but all you need to do, I will just type my email in here, and then you'll come back over to the WP Engine area and simply copy and paste this information. So you'll paste that in, destination site URL, and also the SFTP server address, and then the username and the password. So what you'll do is you'll click Generate New SFTP Password. It'll generate a password real quick for you. Copy that, paste it in there. Now, make sure not to hit the refresh button or you won't have the right password. So once you copy and paste that, just leave it alone. And you've got all your information in here, and you'll click the migrate button at the bottom. This is literally migrating my website from jeffgilden.com to the site on WP Engine. Now, this will be processing for a while. What it'll do, it'll copy over all the files, all the database information, and literally clone your website to the install on WP Engine. You can already see it's started there. Now, if you have a transferable install on WP Engine, you're also going to need to enter that password to the plugin. So if it's more than likely you're going to have a regular install, not going to have a problem. But if you did happen to create a transferable install, then that is you're going to need to enter the password, username and password for that. I'm going to pause this video and come back when it's completed. Once the migration is complete, you'll see the notification migration complete. You can come back to your WP Engine dashboard now. If you click on Overview and then click on the C name, or this is going to be your WP Engine name. If you click on that, you'll see that they are exact clones of each other. So that's how easy it is to get your site over to WP Engine. So once you see that they're exact duplicates of each other, you can go to the domains section and you'll add your domain, and then you'll also do a redirect from the non-www version, and you'll hit add domain. What this is going to do is this is going to add the information in the background that's needed for when you point your domain name over to your WordPress install. Now, what you'll do if you're on GoDaddy or Network Solutions or One-on-One, no matter where your domain is hosted, what you're going to do is you're going to take this server address right here, and all you'll do is change the A record IP address to this IP right here, and you'll just copy and paste that, and that will make your WordPress site live. Now, I'll show you an example of that real quick. Let me pause and get over to my GoDaddy area. So in GoDaddy, you'll have your records. If you go into DNS management, you'll see the records here, and you've got this A record, and here's the value of the A record. So you'll simply come over here to the server address, and you'll copy that, and then you'll come back to your A record and make sure that it's pasted in there. After you add the IP address to your A record and change that, typically with GoDaddy, you'll be able to see the site go live as soon as 15 minutes, but it could take up, they say it could take up to 48 hours to see it everywhere, so just be patient as your site goes live, but it could be as quick as 15 minutes, and that'll be it. You'll then see your site live on your domain name and ready to go. And so that's how you transfer your website, your WordPress site, to another host, specifically using WP Engine, because it's so easy to use with the site migration tool. And hope this helps you guys transfer your site to WordPress on WP Engine. Is the easiest to use platform, so I hope this helps. The other thing that I love about WP Engine is that the live chat is super quick. You can also click on support, and there's also a number you can call. But if you have any issues with your site, you can literally start a chat with WP Engine, and it's literally, it says here it's under 2 minutes. So in less than 2 minutes, there will be somebody connecting with me and talking me through whatever issues that I have launching the site, on the site. If something is wrong or not working properly, you can literally just live chat with somebody. It'll pop up here any second now. Sometimes there's no wait. It'll say 0 minutes, and you just click and you're instantly connected with somebody. It's super fast, and everybody there knows exactly what they're talking about when it comes to WordPress, because WP Engine only does WordPress, so everybody is specialized in WordPress. They can fix your issues super quick. So hope this tutorial helped you convert your website over or migrate your site to another host, specifically WP Engine, since they are only geared towards WordPress. They're the best for your WordPress site. So I hope you guys, it's an easy time for you, and I hope this helped.